My name is Brianna Talamantes, and today I'm presenting on the U.S. Code Title VII, Chapter 48, Humane Methods of Livestock Slaughter. This chapter outlines federal laws designed to ensure that livestock are handled and slaughtered humanely. Humane slaughter is not only an ethical concern, but also a legal requirement for all the facilities that produce meat in the United States. The law applies to a variety of livestock, including cattle, sheep, swine, and horses. Understanding these legal standards is important for anyone entering agriculture, animal science, or meat production. Chapter 48 sets standards for how livestock must be stunned and slaughtered in ways that minimize pain and suffering. Animals must be rendered insensible to pain before being shackled, hoisted, or cut. This can be achieved through mechanical methods like captive bolt, electrical stunning, or approved chemical methods. Interestingly, the law also recognizes ritual slaughter such as kosher or halal practices as humane when performed according to religious guidelines. This combination of legal standard and scientific methods help ensure that humane treatment is applied across all meat production facilities. On a personal note, in my meat science class, we've already learned about some of these methods which help connect classroom knowledge to real-world law. This chapter exists for several important reasons. First, it protects animal welfare, making sure that animals experience minimal pain. Second, it improves worker safety because following humane methods reduces accidents during handling. Third, it promotes ethical agricultural practices that meet public expectations. Finally, it builds consumer confidence because buyers know the meat they purchase comes from animals treated humanely. All of these reasons combined make Chapter 48 a key part of responsible food production. The law encourages ongoing research into better and more humane slaughter techniques. Federal oversight is provided primarily by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which monitors facilities to ensure compliance. Facilities that do not follow the law can face enforcement actions, including fines or penalties. This not only encourages adherence to humane practices, but also drives innovation in animal handling and slaughter technologies. For example, research might explore new stunning methods that are faster or reduce stress on animals. As a student in meat science, learning about Chapter 48 has been reassuring. We are expected to handle livestock, including stunning and slaughtering during lab exercises. Cows are my favorite animals, and knowing that federal law mandates humane treatment helps put me at ease. Understanding these standards help bridge classroom learning with real-life ethical and legal practices. It's one thing to learn methods in theory, but another to know there are science-based laws that guide how we handle animals ethically. In conclusion, Chapter 48 ensures humane treatment of livestock while supporting efficient food production. It connects scientific, ethical, and legal considerations, making it a crucial part of agricultural law. For students, producers, and anyone involved in the meat industry, understanding this chapter is important for compliance, ethical practice, and maintaining public trust. Thank you for listening, and I hope this overview gives you a clear understanding of how federal law supports humane livestock management. The end.